Hi all, I am Tina Cherian, Assistant Professor at METS College of Advanced Studies, Mala. Today I am going to teach functions of HRM. HRM stands for Human Resource Management. HRM is a management function that helps the managers to recruit, select, place and develop employees for an organization. Next we move to the functions of HRM. There is two type of functions, that is managerial functions, second one operative functions. In managerial function, it includes planning, organizing, directing, coordination, controlling. First one is planning. Planning means deciding in advance. It is a blueprint of activities that an organization going to undertake in future. Second one is organizing. Organizing means allocating the task in order to achieve organization objectives. Third one is directing. Directing means instructing, guiding and inspiring employees in an organization. Fourth one is coordination. The employees must coordinate all activities of an organization in order to achieve the organization objective. Fifth point is controlling. Controlling means setting standards and comparing the actual performance with that of standards, and if there is any deviation, take corrective actions. Next is operative functions. First one is procurement. Right number of employees should be appointed at the right time at the right place. This function helps the organization to recruit sufficient number of employees for an organization. Second point is training and development. Proper training and development should be provided to the employees for their development. The organization should provide on-the-job training and off-the-job training for the employees. Third one is compensation. Human resource manager should decide wage packages for the employees. This must be equitable and adequate. Fourth point, the integration. Fourth point is integration. The human resource manager should reconcile the interest of the workers with that of the organization. Fifth point, maintenance. The personnel manager has to look after the health of the workers at workplace and other place. Sixth point, welfare activities. The organization provide various welfare facilities to the employees such as medical facilities, recreation facilities, canteen facilities, etc. Seventh point is personal record. Human resource manager maintain proper records relating to the training, development and promotion of an employees. Eighth point, promotion, transfer and termination. The HR manager assists the managers in developing promotion policies and policies relating to transfer and termination. Ninth point, negotiation with the trade union. The human resource manager should negotiate with the trade union and other employees representatives in an organization. 10th point, miscellaneous function. It helps in the establishment of effective communication system. Second point, it will help to undertake research. Third point, it helps the line managers to develop performance appraisal. This helps to evaluate the performance of the employees. Then I conclude that functions of HRM includes managerial functions and operative functions. Managerial functions include planning, organizing, directing, coordination, controlling. Operative functions include procurement, training and development, compensation, integration, maintenance, welfare activities, personal records, promotion, transfer and termination, negotiation with the trade union, miscellaneous functions. Thank you.